You're watching Transformers, the show dedicated to things that are more than meets the eyes. I'm your host, David Leatherman. Join us as we look at things that change from one thing to another. We have had several exciting episodes lately where we've been talking to William Platypus, a duck who was actually transforming into a platypus. It's been interesting to see this duck transform, and I'm proud to announce the transformation is complete. Please welcome Bill the Platypus.
Oh yes, thanks Dave, it's great to be back.
Wow, look at you. You're actually a platypus.
I can't believe it's finally over. Thank you all for your support.
Honestly, I don't think I was that supportive.
I know, but you're still stuck by me.
I think I even called you psycho a few times.
People I know just keep telling me to give up. Stop even trying, it's not even worth it.
Well, for a while, it didn't appear worth it.
I know, thought about giving up so many times, but I knew that becoming a platypus was something I wanted to be. Something that I was supposed to be.
Well, I'm glad I could be a part of that.
I feel so much more alive.
I have to say, you look great.
I know, check mark my dense brown fur.
Ooh, very soft.
Look at my leathery snout.
Very impressive.
Don't forget my beaver-like tail.
Does it have storage for fat reserves?
That's kind of a personal question, Dave.
Sorry, I just read that on Wikipedia. I didn't mean to insult you.
That's okay, I do have extra fat stored on my tail. That's going to take a bit of getting used to. I used to pride myself on being very fit.
Well, you still look fit for a platypus.
Thanks, Dave. Hey, look! Check out my webbed hands and feet.
Those do look a lot like a duck's webbed feet.
It is quite similar. The webbing is more significant on the front feet and is folded back when walking on land. Look at my ankle spurs.
Oh, I love ankles. Let me see.
These are really cool. Yeah, we're one of the only mammals that have something like this. It produces venom that can kill small animals.
Whoa! You were gonna have me touch them?
They're not lethal to humans, just small animals.
Oh, okay. Let me see them.
It only cause you severe pain.
Man! What is your problem? Are you trying to hurt me?
Sorry, I just wanted to test out this new body.
Well, keep your venomous spurred limbs away from me.
But I need to continue to work on being a platypus. I still have all these duck tendencies that I need to rid myself of.
I think that will take practice, as well as hanging out with more mature platypuses, so you can learn more and more how to react like a platypus.
Well, maybe I can be in a small group of platypi to keep me accountable. If I only spend time with my duck friends, I may never grow.
You can also read up on how to be a better platypus. I'm sure there are some great books and websites on platypus behavior.
I'll have to Google platypi and see what great resources are out there.
Well, Bill, we here at the show want to help you with your transformation.
Thank you so much.
So we're going to give you a flight back to Eastern Australia.
I guess now that I'm a duck, I can't fly there on my own.
We also want to give you a copy of the book Platypuses for Dummies. It was written by world-renowned platypus scientist George Shaw.
I wouldn't take offense to that. Like I say, I'm still a baby platypus.
But wait, there's more. Since you've been a great guest, you'll get a full season of Transformers on Blu-ray, as well as a waterproof Blu-ray player.
This is amazing!
Well, that wraps up this special series with the duck, Bill Platypus, who has been amazingly transformed into full-blooded duck Bill Platypus. Join us next time when we meet a zebra who will transform into a Pegasus.